The local chapters, we have a total of 5,600 plus colleges that we are working with today across the country, and about 50 colleges which are outside India too. So, we are working with some colleges outside India, but most of them are primarily within India. You can see the split of colleges that have become local chapters across the state. So, Maharashtra leads the count of colleges, more than 1100 local chapters we have in Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu comes next with 800, then Madhya Pradesh which is 530, then comes Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and so on. But if you see the percentage of how many of these local chapters are active and how many are actually doing well with us, in that Tamil Nadu actually tops the ranks. Tamil Nadu local chapters are much more active with us, participate much more in NPTEL courses and so on, and then the other states actually follow. So, you can also see why the local chapters are very, very important for us. There is about 80 to 85% of the entire enrollment that NPTEL gets in every semester. The exam registration that we get every semester is from local chapter colleges. So, you can see that our primary audience being students and faculty members in colleges actually is taken care of by the local chapters, the SPOCs, the mentors who work there, the faculty members who are behind the scenes arranging and organizing that students and faculty from the colleges can actually enroll in NPTEL courses and benefit from it. That entire ecosystem we see that has contributed to about 80% every semester enrollment and exam registration to be coming from the colleges. So, the local chapter environment is very, very important for us in the entire NPTEL journey, and we thank each and every local chapter for the support that they have given us over the years and for standing with us for the last 10 years that we have been doing certification. So, this is the state-wise numbers that I was saying that we have currently. So, Tamil Nadu is anywhere between 25 to 30% over the last, even as you can see, 7 semesters. Then comes Andhra Pradesh, then comes UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal and so on.